Come, babe. I gotta put up a picture frame.
What's up, Majestic? Love. Wait, what's up, Majestic Squad? Guess what I'm doing today? I'm gonna put up, wait a babe, this picture frame up here. I don't know why Courtney challenged me to them things because I am a girl,
So you got,
and I don't do these stuff. So what should I do now?
alright.
Because to me, this
Sort
is good
out
enough, you know.
Sort out it, Jill.
What do you mean sort it out?
Come on. Put on the battery.
Alright, babe.
Push it on. Alright.
Wow. Andy girl. Oh shit, me too. Andy girl.
See a bit here.
What is this? A bit or nail?
The bit. You put in a gel.
Really, babe? But you want me to drill off, man?
Put it in. Give me.
So what am I supposed to do?
Vietnam put it in, you know.
How am I putting it? I thought you were letting me do it.
Press it trigger.
What trigger? This?
Yeah. Take time. Take care of a reverse.
What reverse then? God have mercy, babe. Them
Come.
Why not with you off, man?
Spin it. Press it. Press it.
That's how you do it?
Go on again.
Oh God, babe.
Hold on,
So
let me
it's
go
good
this.
now? This is a drill master.
Alright, you are going now. Yeah, go mark your spot. Something right here, good. See? I put in a middle. Alright, you go mark your spot. Drill a hole. And put here. May I watch?
Drill a hole?
So come now, start.
Okay. Mark my spot.
Big lie, what?
Mark my spot.
Hold on, hold this. I'm gonna go get the tape.
Already just over it. I have to do all of these extra things. Why not focus? I got a little bump right here, so guys, I'm gonna give you a rundown. Today I'm supposed to go home. I've been here for like almost 3 weeks now, and I have work to go up and do.
You go on this too.
But I canceled today, so who knows how long I'm gonna be here.
Come.
What you say, babe?
I'm gonna mark the spot to you, see?
Oh God, all of these.
37 and a half. 36 and a half. Papa, 36 how much, babe?
15, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. Ain't I right? Ain't I right? Ain't I right, dude?
You don't know. Come.
Are there some for Julie?
See me zoom in on the spot.
That's where I should?
That's your spot.
That's a rear spot. Zoom out now.
Alright, go on.
Alright, guys. Handyman Kavine is in.
Handyman.
Babe, what should I do?
Alright, put it on it.
Ever hurt my eye?
No. Press on it. Press on it, Jill. Push it forward. Come. Press the thing. Push the drill forward now. Look. Press it. Go, pull it up now. Press it and pull out it. Just press it. Just pull. Alright. Come down now.
Wow.
Alright.
Wow, y'all.
This is screw.
That was some shit.
See? Get the next drill.
Which next drill? The small one?
This
Why
one.
can't I use a screwdriver like normal people?
No, it will take more time and you can't use a screwdriver screwing in the wall.
Oh, is it? So what's the next one?
Take your battery off for that. No, babe. Look. Release at the front and pull off. This, pull to you. Ah.
Now this needs to come out.
I'll just put it there. You can't take out it after. Come. Come put on.
So I gotta put this on now. How many do this on?
Seriously, babe. Seriously. You're on camera right now.
Babe, seriously?
Alright. Get one bit now if you fit the screw.
Where's the bit?
In the bit case.
This? I guess I underestimate your work, babe.
This is not my work. Babe, put down the case flat. Open it here. Flick over it up. Open it out.
A bit.
Alright. Let me screw. Oh, give me back the camera. Yeah, do this.
So
Push it here.
okay. Is it good now?
Yeah.
Then I just screw it in?
Put the screw right hole. Take time. Put it in the drill now. Put the drill in the screw.
Should I put my hand there?
No. Take time. Press the trigger. Good. Alright.
More?
Like a bit more. One. Alright.
Yeah, you.
Go.
Maybe we should take this part off.
No. No, it stay on.
Well, listen then. Can it fit this, babe?
Yeah. Babe. Seriously, nigga.
Another little piece I have to go for. Kind of lean it. So.
Yes, shit, nigga.
Well. Guess who hung the picture? This is when we went to Pier 1, guys. But yeah. Wow. That seemed like a lot of work. But I did it. Thank you, baby, for showing me the ropes. Now maybe I can buy my own toolkit. So I can hang up my curtain them and something them at home.
Easy.
Yeah, this to me is like the easier version of what I do at home, you know, which is, you know, knock it in and then screw it in. So this is more a convenient way to do it. Yeah, guys, we are on the journey to 500 subscribers. If you want to see me challenge Courtney to do something that I as a woman know how to do,
What you go charge me for the cook?
come here, bitch.
Wash.
Come here.
You go charge me for the cook, wash, clean. We can do all that, yeah, but.
Well, of course, you don't have to show off like
Yeah,
that.
so more so you go charge me.
What I'm gonna challenge him to do something, guys. So bring us to, you know, 400 subscribers right now, and we'll release the video of him doing something. So I just became a handy woman, and he has something coming up for him. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Majestic Love says peace.